enough juice in this gun to cut pieces for that roof scuttle up there.
We got one piece.
That was the sealed in the coffin shot. That's what it's like when you...
I know, I felt like
when the lid closes.
And then the credits come up.
Yeah.
The credits.
Another letter.
Still alive down that wire. They stick their hands in there. Some kid.
Yeah. It's a zap, you know. No, one quick way of finding out, I guess.
You stick something in there.
That's a chance I'm willing to take. You stick your finger.
Soon we're gonna get a sign up there.
Yeah, my wife said, don't throw any of these signs away.
Yeah.
Anyone want any gum? Good?
No thanks. So what is this, the 17th of November?
Is that what it is?
Yeah. 2005.
Thursday.
Thursday,
Yeah.
2005.
What time is it?
5:11.
Wow.
And you started at 8, right?
Yeah. Not bad. A couple hours, boarded it up.
Shouldn't take much longer than that to rebuild it. Put our heads together. Diligent.
Yeah. The beginning, Greg. The beginning.
Baby steps.
Yeah.
No November 17th, 2005. I had to keep adjusting the sound levels because of those
Saws.
saws. They'll drive right through your brain at home sitting watching TV.
Watching the local channel.
Plus the wind too is always. It's a
Yeah.
windy day. At least it wasn't that cold. It was a little cold.
Trespassers will be prosecuted, huh? We'll put
Uh-oh.
that sign up.
Yeah, it's been there a while, huh?
Nobody's been prosecuted. That's what I want.
Yeah.
Positively no died. I like that one too.
Yeah.
Gotta hang that up in my bathroom.
And that's obviously been there for 10 years, that Lanes Cove seawall construction project.
Yeah.
That everybody hates having up there. That's the biggest complaint at the Cove, is that sign on
Really?
Yeah.
That will come down.
Well, that one and this one, actually. You know, the City of Gloucester Public Landing sign used to be on a thing right over there.
Where the public landing is.
Yeah, up on 4x4s and stuff, but I think it got damaged several times.
Just think of how many people walked in and out of this building
Yeah.
since, say, 1870.
Well, you take a look at the treads going upstairs.
Yeah.
And how that's all just footboard,
Yeah.
almost all the way through.
How many stories were told in there? How many fish stories were told?
How many fishmen?
How many true? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many true ones and not?
Yeah, none that are true.
Lots of big seine nets were in there, stored in there. Fish traps.
We've got a few hundred years of storytelling going on right here.
Yeah. Some good photographs of the building.
Actually, yeah, you want to ask anybody if they have any old.
Yeah, anybody that has any photographs of this fish house, we'd appreciate copies for documentation purposes. Like I said, any photographs.
And again, there's a meeting on November 28th at the community center.
Yeah, November 28th, the Lanesville Community Center on 8 Vulcan Street,
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I should say, not 7 a.m.
For input.
For input and information we'll give them on what hopefully we plan to how to proceed in rebuilding this structure, preserving it, I should say, for future generations. Thanks to the Conservation Commission again for allowing us to board it up. And, we appreciate it. Appreciate any help.